Hey guys, my name is David Hancock. I'm here with this 2024 288 Commander by Seafox. Let's hop on board and take a look. Starting in the transom of this Seafox, this thing is geared up for fishing. We have a giant live well here, a second live well with the aquarium style, so you can look through it, see your fish swimming, make sure everything's happy and healthy. This thing actually overloads, so you can be filling it up with water to the top, so no fish get air trapped in there and sloshing around. We've got this bait prep station here for your tackle. Sit right here. Get all your lures and everything ready, get ready for a day out fishing. Continuing further on with this transom section, look guys, we've got rocket launchers all over the place. New for 2024, Seafox redid their hardtop. This is D steel tubing. This thing is solid and not going anywhere. We can transition up to here. Look at all of the storage we have forward and back. Got some more. So same thing with this new in hardtop, you get this enclosed feature up here. You've got a little vent to let some wind through on a hot day, but this is very nice that Seafox has done. You're really getting out of the elements, especially with this huge Ultima hardtop. This thing is ready to go offshore. Paired with the twin 300 motors, you got your electronic throttle and shift. All of your switches are backlit. You've got your trim tab indicators with the Fusion radio. You've got your Yamaha MFD readout. Down below here, you have your electronic battery switches. Take a look at this lounge seat. On this 288 Commander, you get a 9/8 beam. Seafox really utilizes all of that beam, and this thing is absolutely massive. It's very ergonomically fitted to your body. This thing's probably the most comfortable seat on the boat for sure. Anyone, if you have little kids, significant other, they're gonna love this seat riding and going through the waves. This is awesome. Coming up to the forward section of the boat, we've got very, very comfortable seating. There's room for everyone. Probably 4 adults can fit in here comfortably, having some wine and cheese on a nice cruising night. You've got the amazing scallop seat that creates a flat back here. Really, really comfortable for when you're sitting. You can look aft, take a look at people fishing, your kids jumping off the back. This is a really nice entertainment area that Seafox the 288 has done. My name is David Hancock. Thank you for watching this video on the 2024 288 Commander. Come check us out at sales@sandyhookyachts.com.